Garima, you have done B2 level or which level of German?
Not done yet.
Not done
Actually, I
yet.
was just planning for language course, just for the basic one.
So you will have it in here in the academy also. That's not an issue. Lovely, lovely. But first of all, let's hear the great ones with Pooja because I'm planning to, have this session to also see the feedback of Pooja in great news coming from her. Yes, in bits and pieces, I'm getting like you sequentially you keep it feedback.
Uh, yeah, but it's still in the initial stage, but I'm hoping.
Absolutely. No, no, absolutely. So, Pooja, I would like to know, just take us through your journey, like before you came into the academy. How was your journey in terms of you were completely lost, you didn't know how to, and you have had your hands burnt also. I knew that, okay. And then during the journey, you started progressing, and then after right now that you have a couple of offers in hand. So please take us through, short in a very crisp manner so that we can have
Yeah,
Garima also rub on some good
yeah.
experience from you.
Sure, sure. So, actually I started my journey for Germany since a very long time. Like it's been 1.5 year. I am trying to apply, look for jobs, and move to Europe. But in that meantime, I also like planned getting my visa done. So I thought that it would be a good opportunity, like if I get to move there and then find a job. Simultaneously, I did that as well, and I was applying from India also. So I got few offers, but the thing was that was not as per my expectations. Like it was very like entry level salary that I was getting. Also, being very long time, like you can say like 1.5 year, and since I've joined Alok, like 1.5 months ago. So it's been a very long time, and it was a huge struggle doing everything by myself, finding a job, and I was not knowing like where I could apply, or what is the things that are going wrong, why am I not getting expected responses from the client. So that was something, I mean, I was doing my part, but I was not understanding what the other end was also expecting. So after I joined this course, uh, a lot of things were streamlined. So first of all, the resume building I did googled, and then I created my own CV. But then yeah, I felt that okay, this is something, even I mean, if we start something by ourselves, we think like, okay, this is something, it's we think that it is everything is fine, then why still we are not getting any responses. So there are some things we need some guidance for it. And yeah, Alok and helpful, and their videos, whatever they have, I mean, whatever the tricks and the way we have to design our CV is amazing. Because the I mean, I got also some good, you can say reviews, or you can say what I mean, response.
Connectivities. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So that the resume building was very good. So because of that, they got they got attention of my profile, and then they reached out to me. So if you go follow all the steps that it is that are mentioned by the tasks that we need to complete, because I have also seen that other um, companies, not companies, but the what are these consultancies? Yeah, so consultancies, what they do is they do everything by themselves. So it is like if we pay them for 6 months, and then once that job is done, they don't care that whether we have got the job or is there any response or anything. They do their part and it's done. But
Yes.
here, as we are doing it everything by ourselves, we are also understanding the process. So it will not be only for this particular duration, though the duration is small. Even I thought that 2.5 months would be a very short duration, but you will definitely learn a lot of things, and that would be there for lifetime. So even if you go, and yeah, this was also mentioned by Alok initially in the first call, that this would stay forever with you. So I was a little dicey about it, how can this happen? But yeah, now I got to know, like, yeah, that is the case. So once
Lovely.
you're following everything that they have suggested, that will definitely give you a streamline to the process. What I had initially, I mean, the issues that I had was I was not getting much responses, even though everything I had I created my
But
resume.
That absolutely. But yeah, coming back to Pooja. So Pooja, one more thing is that how did you find the done for you, done with you services, wherein the
Yeah.
company did the searches for you and you were also doing like both parallelly going? Did you find that impact?
Yeah, so yeah, definitely. I mean, you can come up with whatever the issues you're facing. So in my case, even though I had completed all the courses that was mentioned and the resume, CV, everything was built properly, and I was applying actively everywhere in on all the apps, even though I was not getting any responses. So we had a discussion, me and solution over it.
Yeah.
So instead of just applying on the websites, or whatever the I mean, for LinkedIn we have we apply, and for even Glassdoor we have the same thing. So instead of doing that, he suggested that we could find referrals, which
Yes.
is also one of the core study in,
Strategies.
so yeah,
Yeah.
strategies. Yeah, so I followed that, and until last week I did not had any calls, but now my mailbox is flooding like anything. And I'm very happy. Like I did had a call last week with Alok, and I was so disturbed that I am not getting anything. I'm doing my, I mean, level best, and I've tried everything, but I'm not getting any responses. But yeah, they gave me the confidence that you wait for sometimes, you'll definitely get the result. And so now, yeah, everything is like streamlined so well.
Streamline the
Yeah,
pockets of successes are there.
everything is going good. Even cracking the interviews also, be it on the technical part. I mean, you have to be good in what you're doing, and you have to be true that whatever you've written in the CV, that's very obvious. But talking, I mean, about the confidence, the way you approach to the client, or the way you present yourself, that was also helped very well. So that also did help me, because I wasn't. I mean, while we had few trial interviews, you can say the dummy interviews during the calls, but I realized that there were even we are talking, or we have some meetings, so we feel that okay, I am pretty confident, I'm good.
Mm.
But the thing is, you don't realize the other end, how it is. I mean, how you are presenting yourself. So that also was suggested very well, improved on those points, and because of that
Yeah.
also I got a compliment from one of the during one of the interviews. So yeah, it was very nice.
The
It was,
compliment was they must be shocked to see how are you applying these strategies. I mean, it's only 1% who applies these strategies. So obviously it does make a
yeah,
difference,
I mean, yeah, I would say everything was so perfect. The resume, then the way I was presenting myself, and then they were so impressed by my profile, that I mean, he mentioned I mean, he was the CTO of the company, so he did mention a lot of times that I am very impressed by you. But the thing is, other interviews are also lined up. One more thing was like, I mean, since you mentioned that you're looking for 1.5 years, so I was very focused only on Germany. But Alok suggested that you can apply in Europe, like anywhere.
across the Europe. Yeah.
That gives a very broader range for you to at least move there. So once you are there, then obviously this he mentions a lot of time that once you reach there, then you can find
More
other
jobs.
options also, or you can try to apply in other companies also. But the main important motive is that you should be there in Europe. So
Yes.
yeah, I mean, you can focus on the other things. And